Hey, what's up everybody? So today I was just gonna do a quick video on how I charge all of my batteries. This is just one of my lithium ion DIY batteries I made for my electric dirt bike. And what I use is a C150. It goes by lots of names on Amazon, but you can power it by AC, or it actually has DC power, but I forgot that adapter for my solar generator. And it also comes with many different plugs that you can use. And of course I forgot my XT60 connector to charge my batteries with, so kind of had to make a work scenario. But you can do any batteries basically from 1 volt all the way up to 20 volts is what this is capable at 150 watts or 10 amps. So it's a 10 amp max depending on what your voltage you're doing. You can get all the way up to 150 watts, which is what I'm doing with my DIY battery. But you can do lithium batteries, nickel magnesium, nickel cadmium, and lead. You can set your user settings in here for how many amp hours you have, and also you can set your voltage limit for your lithium polymer or your lithium polymer high voltage, or what I'm doing, my lithium ion, I set them to 4.1 volts instead of the 4.2 max, just to be safe. And it's really that simple. You just go back, press start, confirm your settings. I got it set to the 10 amp max, 14.4 volt 4S. You got other options here for different series for your lithium iron, lithium ion, lithium polymer high voltage, nickel cadmium, nickel magnesium, and your lead. And you just hit start to change all that information, whether you're doing 5S, 4S. Once you've got everything confirmed, yep, it'll warn you because I have it set. That was set wrong. So just go back to 4S, hold on the start button, check the battery. My battery voltage is at like 15. Everything's confirmed, so now I can start it, and it'll charge up to 16.4 volts and stop the charge once it hits that. So if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.